just scored big time with this one. I got this all from the same place. I have no idea how everything fit in like a puzzle, just unbelievable. Got a desk right here that wraps around, it's laying on its backside. Got a small little glass shelf for entertainment center. And then I got two more, and they're matching, this one and this one. And then I got another small picture shelf, entertainment center shelf. This is the story on how I found my desk. One beautiful winter evening, I was on Facebook Marketplace and I scrolled upon this desk with a bunch of other stuff. Guess what? It was free. Can you imagine that? Free at curb, it read at the bottom of the Facebook description. So the very next morning, I drove about 20 minutes to go pick up this desk, along with a couple other items that were sitting free at the curb. I can't tell you how big of a robber that I felt like when I was taking all this stuff. It wasn't my intention to take every single item that was out there, but hey, you know what? I decided to do it. It was all free. I mean, why not? So if you happen to like these kinds of videos, stay tuned and subscribe down below to see all the other pieces get refinished. A few days after picking it up, I pulled it into the garage where I then started to work on it. There was all sorts of different items on top of the desk, such as paper, some oil, sticky material, and it just took me so long to remove all of this desk. After working on it for a few nights out in the garage, I was then able to carry it down into my basement and give it a good cleaning and start the painting process.